नमस्कार। मैं विवेक। मैं आज के विषय भारत की विविधता में एकता पर अपने विचार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूँ। इंडिया इज़ अ कंट्री ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी. Diversity is the soul of India. When we see the demography of India, then is a very common proverb. It comes into our mind. कोस कोस पर बदले पानी, चार कोस पर वाणी. India is such a varied country where we see the diversity. It is our culture, it is our rational thinking also, and we make ourselves with this all variety and diversity, we are united. And we always prove ourselves India, a country of united human beings. Let us come and we see the diversified demography of India, the culture of India, the songs of India, the traditional heritage of India. It gives you a glimpse of our uniqueness. India is such a country where we feel that all states have a different variety of culture, different variety of languages. And when you travel from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, when you touch upon the various states, you will be able to see the variety in them, the variety of food, the variety of languages, the culture, the mode of mixing with you. Everything is different, but we are very much unique and united. Have you ever tasted any food of any state, the special food of it, all mouth watering preparation of all the states will make you to believe really we Indians are so much special. The jalebi fapada of Gujarat, the churma bati of Rajasthan, and if you come to South India, the idli and dosa of South India, they are all having a different type of taste. It makes us unite. We never forget to eat these all things. Have you ever thought what kept us so much united? That is the quotation Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We Indians feel that India is a country where all people believe that this whole earth is our family. और इसी भावना से अभी तक हम में अतिथि देवो भवो की भावना है. जब अतिथि कोई हमारे घर पधारता है तो हम उसे देवता की भांति उनकी पूजा करते हैं. हम में आतिथ्य भरा पड़ा है और हमें मालूम होना चाहिए. राजा राम मोहन रॉय ने कहा था, अगर भारत की विविधता और एकता को पहचानना है तो हमें एक बात पे गौर करना पड़ेगा. द काउज ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर, द मिल्क इज वाइट. वी आर ऑफ डिफरेंट बिहेवियर, डिफरेंट हैबिट्स, different cultures and etiquettes, but we are one. The another example I will cite for you, you take that example of water. When we call water, we call pani, we call jal, we call it niru. Water is the same. The taste of water is always special for us. So it is said that भाषाएं अनेक हैं लेकिन उसकी भावना एक है. व्यवस्थाएं अनेक है किंतु उसकी हेतु एक है. भारत जैसे विशाल देश में हमने जन्म लिया है, यह हमें गर्व का क्षण देता है. हम भारतीयों को यह सोचने के लिए मजबूर करता है कि हम कितने महान राष्ट्र में हैं. और इसी बात को मैं उजागर करते हुए एक गीत की याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा कि सुर बने हमारा. उस कविता में भीम सेन जोशी जैसे महान संगीतकार से लेकर दक्षिण भारत के बाल मुरली कृष्णन ने किस तरह भारत को एकता के सूत्र में पिरोया था. हैव यू एवर ट्राइड टू विजिट तमिलनाडु? Please come and see the structure and the variety of carvings on the temples of Tamil Nadu. Have you ever got a chance to come to Karnataka? Come to Hassan district of Karnataka. Then you will be able to see the Halibeedu and Beluru temples. how the carvings of these all temples make you to feel how special we are. So I feel that we are having multicultural, multi-religion. We Hindus are ever ready to bow our head to every religious places. We don't have this much of distinction. We are so much united. We keep only one sense in ourselves. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु माँ कश्चित् दुख भाग भवेत्. धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.